Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you why your property is showing vacant even after moving in a tenant. From your dashboard, you can go to Properties, and I just moved in a tenant by the name of Sandra Thompson into the multifamily property called Grove Street. However, as you can see, it shows that both units of this multifamily property are vacant. So I'm going to go over to the tenant that I just moved into that property by the name of Sandra Thompson, and I'm going to view the information regarding the lease to make sure that the information I entered is correct. On Sandra Thompson's Leases tab, you'll see that it says Signature Pending. It is the correct address and the correct property, and it says 11 Grove Street, Boston, Massachusetts 02114. And when I click more details, it's going to pull up the lease information along with these two icons showing me exactly why this particular lease is still pending. In this case, it is because I'm requiring that the tenant provides me with renter's insurance, and I am requiring that they sign the lease electronically in order for this to be a legal document. Until that point, this lease will remain under the pending status. Once both of these requirements are satisfied, the lease will change to active and the property will then show that it is occupied. And that is the reason why your property is showing vacant on TenantCloud even after moving in a tenant on the platform. To get started for free today, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.